In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your tasks using ClickUp, a popular productivity tool. Whether you're working on a complex project or just trying to stay on top of your daily to-do list, mastering ClickUp will streamline your workflow and enhance collaboration with your team. So let's dive in and explore how to navigate this platform like a pro. First, let's head over to ClickUp. If you haven't already logged into ClickUp, open your browser and go to the ClickUp website or app. It's always a good practice to ensure you're operating from the latest version of the app or web page for smooth navigation and access to the latest features. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by ClickUp's intuitive dashboard. From here, you can easily visualize your ongoing projects and outstanding tasks, giving you a comprehensive overview of your workflow. Let's move on to exploring spaces within ClickUp. Think of spaces as dedicated work areas where you can organize related projects or teams. They allow you to segment your work into logical categories, making it easier to focus and manage. Within your dashboard, look for the Spaces section, often located on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking on it will reveal a list of projects or areas you've previously set up. Choose the specific project you wish to work on. This will lead you into a more detailed view of that project, showing all the tasks, deadlines, and other relevant information. Now it's time to get hands-on with managing your tasks within this space. Let's say you have a task that you've been working on and it's finally time to mark it as complete. First, locate the task list for your chosen project. You should see a checklist-style layout where tasks are listed, often with their due dates, assigned team members, and current status displayed prominently. Find the task you've completed. You'll notice a small checkbox next to each task. This is where you indicate task completion. Simply check this box to mark the task as done. You'll see a pop-up or status option nearby asking you to update the task's progress. Click on Status, and from the drop-down or available options, select Complete. This immediately updates the task status, signaling to everyone involved that the task is finished, which helps maintain accurate project tracking and team communication. And just like that, you've managed your first task completion in ClickUp. Remember, keeping your tasks updated not only helps you stay organized, but also ensures your team is in sync with project progress. Congratulations on taking this step towards boosting your productivity using ClickUp. By making full use of features like spaces and task status updates, you're well on your way to achieving efficient project management. That's it for today's guide. Thank you for watching and happy task managing.